Shivraj. I completed BECAC in Karnaga College of Technology. After completing my course, I enrolled my Python full stack course in QSpiders, Chromepet branch. First of all, I thank my Gayatri counselor ma'am. She helped me enroll me into this course. After that, throughout this course, every trainer was wonderful teaching the course first of all, and I thank Sankit sir who taught me SQL very easy and simple way. After that, I took aptitude course. I thank Silsha for that. She made problem solving very fun and excitement. After that, I took my Python course where Durga ma'am explained the difficult topics in easiest way, and she was also my Django trainer. And web technologies was taught by Pavan sir. His practical way of teaching made me easy